Hello, Ankar Agrawal here from Tholbert Finance, providing advice and enabling you to focus on your dreams and ambitions whilst establishing protection for your loved ones. What is bridging finance? Asked Sam whilst reviewing his financial needs to buy a property quickly. A bridging loan can be used to provide a short term finance solution to help borrow money quickly and get the funding they need with it to help with a variety of scenarios. What are some of the scenarios where bridging finance can be helpful? When someone needs fast finance for a quick completion to meet auction terms. When somebody wants to purchase a property that requires refurbishment that is deemed unsuitable by mainstream lenders. When someone needs to complete a property purchase before the existing property is sold. When someone wants to buy a property and change its use. When somebody wants to quickly release equity from their property to help with cash flow. When somebody wants to buy an under market value property quickly. What are some of the benefits for bridging finance? Asked Sam. Again, these will vary by lender, but examples are as follows. You can get market leading rates. You can get up to 100% loan to value with some additional security. You can get loans starting from £10,000. Terms could be from 1 to 18 months. Interest can be serviced, rolled up, or retained. And there are no exit fees. Products with no arrangement fees. So these are some of the potential benefits that you can get from bridging finance. What sort of properties are eligible for bridging finance? Typically, we can provide first, second, and third charge bridging finance options for residential property, buy-to-let property, commercial property, semi-commercial property, and land with or without planning permission. What sort of documentation is required for bridging loan? One of the key requirements is to determine the exit strategy for the bridging loan, be it conversion to term loan or to sell the property. Other documentation requirements are similar to limited residential mortgages and will vary dependent on the lender or property, such as ID and address verification, bank statements, credit reports. For limited company, all of the above will be required for shareholders who own more than 20% and or directors. Details of existing property and what work, if any, will be done to it, financial accounts for limited companies, a business plan, asset and liability statements, etc. I hope that you found Sam's question and our response useful. It can be very useful to engage with a broker who will take time out to understand your particular circumstances and understand what you want to do. Contact me to give an outline of what you're looking for, and I'll give you financial solutions that suit your particular needs. Thank you.